Selecting the perfect color for your patio umbrella is a process that can set the tone for your entire outdoor experience. Whether you're seeking a tranquil retreat, a vibrant gathering spot, or a sophisticated setting, color plays a pivotal role in achieving your desired atmosphere. By considering your personal style, existing decor, and the overall mood you're looking for, the color you choose can transform your patio into a harmonious and inviting oasis. Continue watching for tips to help you choose the best umbrella color for your home. Your choice of a patio umbrella color can make a large impact on the overall look and feel of your outdoor space. The perfect color can seamlessly blend with your existing decor, enhancing the visual appeal and creating a harmonious atmosphere. To determine the best color for your patio umbrella, consider the dominant hues in your outdoor setup. If your furniture, cushions, and accents lean towards a particular color palette, selecting an umbrella shade that aligns with those tones can create a cohesive and polished look. On the other hand, opting for a complementary color that contrasts with your decor can offer a dynamic and eye-catching effect. The mood you wish to evoke in your outdoor area plays a significant role in color choice. If you're aiming for a tranquil and serene environment, cooler tones like blues, greens, or even soft grays can evoke a sense of calm. Warmer colors such as reds, oranges, and yellows can infuse energy and vibrancy into your space. If you live in a sunny climate and would like to make sure your new patio umbrella offers optimal sun protection, the ideal color is one that reflects sunlight and minimizes heat absorption. Lighter colors such as white, light beige, and pastel shades have a higher reflectivity. They are particularly effective in providing a cooler and more comfortable shade, making them a popular choice for sun-drenched outdoor spaces. On the other hand, if you live in a sunny, cool environment, darker colors like deep blues, greens, and browns tend to absorb more sunlight and heat. While they may not offer the same level of reflective sun protection as lighter colors, they can still provide shade and some level of relief from the sun's intensity. For those who prefer darker umbrella colors, it's best to look for options that feature UV-resistant materials and coatings, as they can lessen heat absorption and enhance the umbrella's overall sun protection. When considering the best patio umbrella color for easy maintenance, neutral and darker shades tend to be more forgiving in terms of showing dirt, stains, and wear over time. Colors like beige, taupe, gray, and darker browns are excellent choices for ensuring that your umbrella maintains a clean and polished look with less frequent cleaning. Umbrellas with fabrics treated for stain resistance or water repellency can further enhance the ease of maintenance. Selecting the ideal patio umbrella color is an artful endeavor that holds the power to transform your outdoor space into a captivating haven. From reflecting your personal style to harmonizing with existing decor and even providing effective sun protection, each shade creates a different look and feel. Whether you opt for a serene sea of blues, a warming touch of reds, or the timeless allure of neutrals, your choice is an expression of your individuality as you craft an inviting sanctuary at your home. For more tips about how to choose the best umbrella for your space, check out the Patio Umbrella Buying Guide. Thank you for watching.